Hi, I'm Ben and I like to travel. Here's a bit about my story. I started my life in the most isolated capital in the world, Perth. When I turned 22, I took a great leap of faith and moved to the tropical paradise of Cairns near the Great Barrier Reef. I met so many people exploring and travelling the world and knew that I wanted to do that too. After that, I moved to Brisbane where I started going on journeys to far-flung parts of the world. The aviation geek in me was growing. Then I went to the Sydney Gay and Lesbian Mardi Gras in 2015 and met someone pretty special, completely by chance. I was headed home from the bar but happened to see a mutual friend. I had a drink with him, and this friendly Kiwi Simon struck up a conversation in his group. We hung out the whole weekend. He was from New Zealand, but he took a leap of faith and came back to visit me for a weekend. What happened then was a long-distance romance, back and forth across the Tasman. We then decided to take a leap of faith together into a new adventure, and we both moved to Melbourne to start a new life. We knew we were destined to be together and fought to recognise this in the eyes of the law. So we did it. We got to celebrate our story in front of all the people we cared about. And I knew I found the one when this happened, despite writing our vows independently. I promise to continue to make our life an adventure, and I thank you for allowing that adventure to be in business class.
And most of all, I promise that we will always travel business class.
And we continued our travels and adventures together. We've been across the world together and have so much more to explore. We took the most important step and brought our little pinto bean into our lives. He's just as adventurous as we are. And now I make travel content. I do reviews of hotels, airlines, and experiences. I share travel hacks and tips. I give you the lowdown on points and miles opportunities. And I share news and updates about the world of travel. So come along and join me on the journey. Buckle up, we're going on adventure. But just remember, it will be in business class.